I just want to know how we got here. 1 minute we're kayaking, cruising, having a romantic ride, and the next thing, adventures are always gonna be epic with this guy. Join us for another adventure. K-iking, that's the word. We're visiting the Congaree National Park in Richland County, and we're gonna see what these kayaks do out here. The water looks pretty still today, so we'll see. Joel has a new kayak, so we're ready to get these adventures rolling. We took this trip early on a Sunday morning when it was relatively quiet, but let me tell you, the nature out here was so freaking loud. Oh my God, it was amazing. Listen. And it just looks so fairy tale, so picturesque. It really is a great place to get in the kayak and go. Not a whole lot of wildlife stirring. I mean, obviously we can hear a lot of it, but to be seen, I don't see a lot of turtles out right now. I don't even see a lot of dragonflies or damselflies. We talked to a fisherman on the way down, and he was just saying how high the creek has gotten since he was here. And that's due to all the rains that we've been having, which are very much needed. But as you can see, the creeks are swollen. Right now, we're just kind of letting the creek carry us down. It's so serene. You can see bits of sunlight peeping through the trees. It really is a magical scene. You can't beat this view. Or this view. Okay. What can I say? Ain't nothing wrong with some eye candy while you out adventuring. I love that he's always down for the adventure, and it always just leads me to another place of love for him. This actually brings us closer. But my hollow tides have turned. Okay, this is the hiking part of the K-iking. Hiking. How do we end up here? In the woods. Kayak gave way, Joel's did again. And I don't know. We've got something that we're going to discuss with the manufacturer about that. But I'm not too pleased right now. Wait a minute. Magic mushrooms. Yes. I know, they're poisonous. So is this. But look. Like all these mushrooms everywhere. Oh, no. No. Golden chanterelle mushrooms in the middle of the forest, sprinkling the forest floor. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Let's see what I can come up with. Stay tuned for the recipe in part 2.
She finesse, she the one they call the girl. She don't stress.